Rapid technology development not only affects big industries but also small industries such as restaurants. On today's video, we have listed some futuristic robots that you're likely gonna see in restaurant or near future. Cooking robot. This restaurant called Spyce in Boston, America uses a kitchen robotic or a kitchen that is operated by automatic robot. All visitors only need to wait less than 3 minutes before their order is served. This restaurant is said to be the world's first automated restaurant which uses robots to cook all the customers' meals. Robot technology monitors cooking, cooling, and water temperature. Although the ingredients are still prepared by humans, the cooking process are mostly processed by the robot. Hotpot Robot. This robot hotpot restaurant in Hong Kong was the collaboration between Haidailao and the giant electronics company Panasonic. There is no human interventions in the hotpot preparations and manufacturing process there. Because this sophisticated robot has the ability to mix soup with flavors listed on the menu. This sophisticated robot has the ability to mix soup with flavors listed on the menu. Visitors only need to order the menu via the tablet available on each table. Customer orders will be immediately listed in the robot kitchen. Their orders will be delivered by humanoid robots once their order is finished. Omelette Maker Robot. This omelette maker robot in a hotel restaurant in Singapore is shaped like a pipe arrangement but has a flexible motion. The omelette robot starts its job by sautéing garlic on a flat pan. The robot then takes the omelette dough that has been shaken and prepared beforehand. The robot will then pour the egg over the pan and turn it over and over with a spatula until it cooks. This robot then will pick up the omelette and serve it on a plate. It took about 1.5 minutes for this omelette robot to complete its cooking process. Unfortunately, this robot is still unable to open and mix the eggs by themselves. Surface Robot. This waiter robot in Hajime Robot restaurant located at Monopoly Park Plaza in downtown Bangkok has a unique shape. This restaurant carries the theme of all-you-can-eat Japanese specialties, starting from shabu-shabu to yakiniku. Here, each table is equipped with a tablet for ordering food. When your orders are ready, there will be robot waiters who come to your table to serve your orders, not only good at serving food or bringing drinks. These robots are also very entertaining. Visitors can ask them to dance for a few minutes.